Hello guys, Anna here and welcome to your favorite source of language learning, Chaque langue. As many of you know, I love languages and I've gone through several languages throughout my life, at least 33 languages. Yeah, it doesn't mean that I know them all, I just started studying each one of them. And I ended up speaking from 4 to 5 languages. Why from 4 to 5? Because I'm not perfect in all of them. I can speak and communicate in 4. But today, I'm gonna start recording a vlog for you guys on how I'm learning German. If you, like me, would like to learn more languages or would like to improve the way you've been learning languages, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram, and click the bell button so you can be notified when we post a new video. I'm sure that with all your support, we're gonna be able to build a chain of global committed language learners. So if you're really committed to language learning, just comment down below, I am committed, so I can know that you guys really want to learn new languages. So guys, this is the first video of a language learning series that I'm building for you guys, letting you know what methods I use to learn a new language. Yeah, so I picked up German as my target language and I'm gonna be making vlogs on how I am learning German. My goal is to learn it in 6 months, studying 2 hours a day. So I hope you guys can do the same. And if you don't have 2 hours a day, that's okay. You can use 1 hour or half an hour. It's up to you. To begin with, I would like to teach you how to make a language learning tracker for you to not lose track of your language learning process. Because it's really easy for us, for me, it was really easy to fall in accommodation and don't follow through with the language. For example, I've been learning Russian for 3 years now. And I haven't been consistent, so my Russian isn't perfect and I lack a lot on vocabulary. And for this reason, I want to start doing it better and doing it in a better way, right? That's why I'm starting German now. And remember that, well, you can pick any day a week for your language learning. It can be on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. It can be on Thursday, Sunday. You can pick every day, like you can choose to learn it every day or some days a week. But the important thing is that you build a tracker, you keep on track with your progress in language learning, so you will be better, and you can keep with this routine, you understand? So grab a piece of paper and let's build our tracker. The ideal thing here is to build a tracker based on the amount of time that you're willing to spend on language learning. If you want to learn a language for 3 months, you're gonna divide the days for 3 months. So it will be like 90 days, and it will be 90 blocks, and this will help you with the tracker. The tracker consists in you marking the days that you were practicing the language. But in order for you to be consistent, it's better if you define the time as well that you're going to spend on learning that language. My tracker ended up a little bit disorganized, but the idea here is just to mark the days that you're going to be studying and count them to see if it matches with your goal. And here I've got some trackers that I made this week. Pick your language, make your tracker, comment down below what language you're gonna learn, and in the next video of this series, I'll be showing you how I'm learning German. I'll be showing what methods I'm using, what do I do throughout the 2 hours a day that I'm learning German, how is my pronunciation, my writing, my listening going. I'll be letting you know everything about my process. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe as I said before. And if you have any doubt regarding language learning, you can send me through this email, okay? And you can send me an email with your question and I'll be happy to answer the question for you. If you cannot find the answer on Google, it's more like a personal question, okay? See you guys next time.